let's examine this late 18th century vue d'optique, bird's eye print of Amsterdam, the Amstel River. It's an active scene with a couple different people smoking in the foreground, all kinds of boats on the canal and numerous houses. The hand coloring is original to the print. It's of the era. And what is really interesting here is when we flip this over, we'll see that the back, it has been backed for a very long time by this, what is almost certainly a period United States newspaper sheet, which has dates on it of 1806. And because the paper on the backing and the repairs that have been done to this print, they match so perfectly to the contour of the paper and the sheet, it's all but certain, the age patina tells us, that this print has been in the United States since shortly after it was made, and somebody backed it a very, very long time ago here in the United States. And so it adds the distinction of this is a unique survival of a view of Amsterdam, which has been in this country, in the United States, almost and shortly after it was made. And you see that the condition, it has some wear, it has some light soiling, it has some surface crackling, and there's short little edge splits, etc. But to my eyes, it really is a wonderful looking print. It's entirely acceptable the way it is, and the backing of it lends a completely unique and distinctive aspect to this image. And it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.